Hi everybody, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just about Stephen and Walter live. Okay, might miss a few of you this week because we're going to do it a day early. Yes, we're going to do it on Saturday, that's today, March the 31st. Reason being is this is Easter weekend, and Sunday, when we'd usually do it, we're invited over to my sister's for dinner. So that would mean we'd have to do it fairly early in the day on Sunday. So I think instead we're going to take a chance, do it tonight, Saturday night, same time, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Not sure what we're going to talk about this week because I haven't got a whole lot of things, but I'm sure, like every other week, we'll come up with something. So maybe we'll do a Q&A this week as well. So if you have any questions you'd like to ask Walter and I, you can ask us anything. We will choose whether or not we want to answer them, but no holds barred. Feel free to ask us some questions. So that's today, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and hope to see you all then. Bye-bye for now, and have a great Easter weekend. Bye-bye.